Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're going to be making lemon poppy cake or pastel de limón con amapola. So let's begin. So we're going to start off by adding 3 cups of flour to a bowl, but making sure that we sift it first. Next we're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to set our dry ingredients aside, and now to a mixer we're going to add 3 egg whites. To the egg whites, we're going to follow up with 1 cup of sugar. We continue by adding 3/4 cups of softened butter. And then we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're then going to place our mixer in a medium-high setting and we're going to cream everything together for about 2 minutes. We're then going to add our egg yolks one by one. We're now going to add our dry ingredients 1 cupful at a time or 1 spoonful at a time while continuing to mix. We're going to follow up by adding 1 cup of evaporated milk. Next, we're going to add half a cup of lemon juice. We follow up by adding 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon zest. And we'll finish off by adding 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. We're going to give it one last blend, maybe for a minute or so, just to make sure everything is well incorporated. And now we're ready to pour it into our pre-buttered mold. We're now going to place the mold into the oven at 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for roughly 25 minutes, or until a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. For the glaze, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice to a cup. To that cup, we're going to add 1 cup of confectioner's sugar or azúcar micropulverizada. With a fork, we're going to whisk away until we get a beautiful, silky, smooth glaze. Once our cake is done and nice golden brown, we are going to pop it out of the oven and we're going to let it cool off completely. Once cooled, we're going to pour the beautiful glaze all over and we're going to spread it nice and even. And voila, we have our delicious, fluffy, tangy and sweet lemon poppy cake. Excellent for your good cup of joe. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe and also go check out our Instagram at san.paul20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye-bye!